Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over my stock picks for the week of September 20th through September the 24th. Just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. Also, if you find value in today's video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel if you enjoy our content, and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. Alright guys, so before we get into my picks for this week, we're going to talk about a recap of last week. I picked IDEX, ticker symbol IDEX, FNGU, or Tesla, depending on your budget, and triple Qs. Okay guys, looking at IDEX, we were up a little over 1% for the week, got as high as about $2.30. FNGU actually fell down all the way to about 36 bucks and some change, rose back up to as high as 38, but then finished under about 37, a little under 37.50 for the week, down roughly about 4% for the week. And then triple Qs, it still actually just hovered around this entry point that we talked about 374 to 375. So it hasn't fully made its correction up just yet. So if you haven't gotten in, it's one to maybe keep an eye on moving forward. Alright guys, so my picks for this week is CLNE, Clean Energy Fuels, GEVO, and then SSL, ticker symbol SSL. We'll go over the charts on these in a minute, but these are some safer plays I think are making some potentially decent setups, especially SSL. This one always recovers fairly well, which we'll look at in a second. On the watch list, Zion Oil and Gas, and the reason I'm looking for Zion Oil and Gas is because I think it's going to go lower. I think we see probably 15 cents this week by Friday if no news comes out. So if that's the case, then I'll come in and buy some more. I haven't bought any more yet, and I was just kind of waiting to see if it breaks below 20, and it finished at 19 cents on Friday. So I expect it to pop back up, of course, on Monday, because people are coming in and day trading it. So it probably pushed the price up to like 21, 22, and it'll most likely just fall right back down to about those levels. But without any news or updates, I think it'll just continuously just come down further. DraftKings and GNOG, I'm watching that, and I want to see exactly if we continue to kind of slowly sell off or pop back up. I think that we should see a little move to the upside, but I'm keeping an eye on those two stocks as well. And Shiba Inu, guys, this is a cryptocurrency. I'm keeping an eye on SHIB. Right now it's currently up on Sunday, and I kind of made a decision on buying 1 million SHIB per month until it starts to make that big move. As long as it's around these levels here or lower, I'm just buying a little bit per month and stacking up as much as I can, and just waiting for it to take off. So let's go ahead and look at the charts, guys, and let's see what they're telling us. Alright guys, so looking at Clean Energy Fuels, ticker symbol CLNE. What we're watching for here is if we come down a little bit further, which I think we might, or we're going to bounce off of that SMA line. I think we can probably come down into the 7s before we bounce up and make a move back towards the upside. So if we do fall down a little bit lower and we bounce back up like we have several times, as you see 1, 2, 3, and then almost 4 here, that's a good sign of price strength that we should continue to start slowly moving back higher. But you want to watch before you enter in if you're going to come in on a swing. So you see how these candles are closing below that EMA line. Want to get at least a green candle, one green candle above it with the buy signal, and possibly another one to confirm that move to the upside. As you see here, we're at about fair value, but we are in a bearish pattern on the MACD. Okay, so next up is GEVO, my hero. We're going to look at GEVO, and this thing has bounced a couple of times off as well, off of that 654 support level, and it's at about fair value, but we're really trying hard to transition over from a bearish to a bullish pattern. So I see this one can potentially spike up and start making its way to the upside, but we want to just make sure that it doesn't bust below that 654 level. If it does, then we have potential for more downside. So you want to be careful on any of these that you're going to come and enter. Your first key resistance there is going to be 826. And then we're looking at SSL, and this one here, every time that we have a big sell-off, we recover fairly well. And this also is flirting with that red SMA line. We could fall a little bit lower to take us into undervalued levels. And if we do, that's when you can probably go in and buy, because it should shoot back up fairly aggressively, as it always does. Currently support of 1448, 1598 is your resistance, and as long as we stay above that SMA line, we're in good shape. Like I said, if it can bounce off of there, that would be a good sign for us. So looking at ZNOG just fairly quickly, guys, as you see, we broke that 20-cent support level, so we're at 19 cents now of our overall support. And like I said, I think that we're going to go lower, especially with our MACD indicator crossing over from bullish to bearish. We were bullish and still going lower, so that's not a good sign. So looking for an entry coming up next week, like I said, at the 15-cent level. Okay, now we're looking at golden nugget, ticker symbol GNOG, and actually I may have to redraw the fib level here because we kind of got a little update going. Let's see here fairly quickly, just bear with me. Every now and again you have to update these fib levels to make sure that they're fully accurate. There we go. Okay, so looking at $20.31 as our new support, and $23.47 is going to be your key resistance on this play for the 180-day 4-hour, which is a good sign. I think that we could easily bust through there. If we can get a bust above that 23.47, 23.50 level and hold there, then we're on the way to 30 bucks. So we just have to kind of wait it out and see. But anyway, guys, this is a quicker video than normal. Some simple picks for the week. Let me know what your plans are moving forward, and other than that, we'll catch you in the next one. Alright guys, that's all I have for you in this video. Make sure that you smash the thumbs up button if you found value in today's video. And if you enjoy our content, of course, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell. That way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, we'll catch you in the next video.